Okay, so today we're gonna go ahead and install Easyeffects on Debian with Pipewire, or we're gonna install Pipewire with Easyeffects. Now, for y'all that don't know, Easyeffects is it's like a mixer for Linux. It works on different distributions, and Pipewire is the alternative to Pulse Audio. It's actually newer than Pulse Audio. It's made for more real-time workloads. It's the it's the shiznit, in other words. It's good. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm gonna go ahead and log in to the user here, and let's go ahead and bring up a terminal here. And okay, so let's go ahead and start off with our Easyeffects installation. So the first method we're gonna try one or two. I'm doing this video uncut, so I'm kind of myself wondering, I've done this on Dev1. I've never been able to install Easyeffects straight from the repository without issues. I've always had to do it from source, and let me tell you, Easyeffects is not an easy installation by any means. Let's maybe doing a flat pack, but then it's not even easy. The reason why is because it has so many different audio effects, and all the different audio effects and all the different functions it does. I don't know if you want to call them functions or not, but all different features it has requires a whole bunch of different packages and dependencies. So when you're compiling from source and installing it from source, you're gonna have a lot of issues. But the reason why is because it takes so many dependencies. You're gonna compile, then say you're missing this, then you're missing that, and then you look for the package, you're not gonna find it, and then you're gonna have to look for it again, then you're gonna find it, and it's a pain. So I decided to make this video to help y'all out. But because we're not doing a Dev1, we're doing a Debian, and we're doing an uncut video. Let's go ahead and see how it works just by going ahead and doing the apt. Let's do a sudo apt install Easyeffects. So as you can see, unable to locate package Easyeffects. So what that means is we're gonna have to install from source. So in order to install from source, we're gonna go ahead and let me see if I can adjust my screen size real quick. To look at, you're not looking at like some, I don't know, this should be easy for y'all though. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do here is I'm gonna go over to activities. We're gonna click on Firefox ESR and follow my lead here. We're gonna go ahead and type in Easyeffects GitHub, and then you're gonna click this link right here. It should be the top one. I think this is it. Let's see if it's it. That's it. There we go. This is Easyeffects. Yeah. Prepare for all hell to break loose. Now, so I'm not kidding either. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all some of the pain this is gonna require. So you go over to here. Snap. Okay, go over here, git clone. Hopefully it's saying listens to me now. Paste. Clone. Okay, there we go. So sudo git clone. Enter. Oh, we need git. So it's sudo apt install git. It's installed. I'm doing this for a virtual machine, so it's uncut. So prepare yourself. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so now we're gonna cd into the git clone directory. I'm gonna go ahead and move this over here just so it looks nice and pretty, so we can follow along a lot of the drama we're about to experience here. It's gonna be a lot. Okay. Now we're gonna scroll down, and you're gonna see, where's it at? installing from source. I'm gonna go ahead and click installing from source right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down more. Okay, so this is gonna be the primary command you're gonna need to install it, right? So I don't think we have meson installed, so we're gonna do sudo apt install meson. Yes. And then sudo apt install ninja build. Okay, that one's already installed. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and copy and paste this. Except we're gonna use sudo now too. So we're already running a drama. Meson version is 5.6.2, but project requires 5.9. And this is where we're gonna start having issues. So one way we can go ahead and avoid a lot of drama is we can switch to the rolling release on Debian, right? So if you're following my lead, and this is where you're at now, we can go ahead and switch over to the rolling release. Which is probably going to save us a lot of drama. So, the rolling release is SID, right? So, app sources. We're just going to control R and search for bullseye, and replace with SID, and replace all instances. There. Now, yeah. Let's see. Oops. Sudo copy. Okay, so you see it found a whole bunch. It says error not found for Debian security, SID security, and not found for, so it didn't find any for updates or backports or security. So sources.list, none for security, and none for what's it? Let's see again. None for security, none for updates. And just to be sure on this, double check Debian rolling repository. Now, for y'all that don't know, the Debian rolling repository is the one that gets the updates right away, but it's not considered stable. So, SID is considered Debian unstable. So you can do SID, or I guess you can do unstable. So we're going to sudo apt update again. Oh, same thing. We're not going to need backports either. So just gonna do that one. Right. Now we have 1300 packages to update. So we're gonna do sudo apt upgrade and actually, yeah, we're gonna do full upgrade. And yes. So this part might take a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. So you can see we're already gonna run into a lot of drama here. Like I said, doing Easyeffects is no easy task. If you want to actually install it directly from source, it's not that easy of a task. But highly recommend it if you want to use all the features on it and you want it to work great and be like integrated well with OS. Then you're gonna want to build it from source, and you're going to probably use the rolling release. You're not having a bunch of errors like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause, and we will come back as soon as this is done, which can take a while. Okay, so to start where we were last, we finished upgrading to the rolling release version of Debian, which is SID or unstable, whichever one you put. Same thing. I'm gonna go back to Firefox here. GitHub Easyeffects. Now, if all goes well, that error should be gone now. So let's go ahead and give it a try, see what happens here. Okay, so right now I did sudo messence and then sudo ninja. Oh. Neither directory. Oops. Let me get these effects here. Okay. Okay, so now as you can see, it got past that messing error. It got past the mess and build error. So, but now as you can see, it didn't find CMake. So we need to go ahead and install CMake too. And then go ahead and after we did that, we'll run it again, and you're pretty much gonna be doing this back to back all the time. Right here it says libportal gtk4, so I'm gonna do apt install lib and then portal, and then dev, and then we're gonna go to libportal just in case. And you're gonna be doing this a lot. I'm just letting y'all know you're gonna be doing this a lot. And then dev. So whenever you're building stuff, it's usually the dev packages you need. So I'm gonna do both of these. Yes. And we're gonna go ahead and let those install. And then after we let those installed, see where it says MSG FMT not found? That's the problem. This is gonna be happening a lot. So prepare for a little bit of a nightmare doing this, but if you get it done, it's all worth the while. So apt install MSGP. So a lot of times too, if it just says MSG FMT or whatever, a lot of times if you can't find the package like that, just type lib and then MS libmsg. See where I found it, libmsg. So they got a dev package. So we're just gonna do this one right here, and this is how I go about doing it. And then we'll do that again. I don't know if that was the one or not. No, it wasn't. So now you can try apt install fmt. Then they got, fmt tools. So this is kind of what I do. It's a hit and miss in Easyeffects packages. If you want to actually make sure you're getting the right one, you can go ahead and you can try lib and then fmt. This is how I do it. Hey, there you go, libfmt dev right there. So there's a good chance that'll be it. Let's try that again. No, it wasn't. So, like I said, this is uncut. I'm showing you how I handle this. So, program msgfmt. So now it's trying app search msg. That's probably not going to be go on fmt. Perl implementation of Zillow plugin to PO files. Perl implementation of this one. So we're going to try this one right here. This one. I'm going to try this one. And then we'll go ahead and try this. Same thing. So I give up. It kicked our ass. So now we're going to go over here. And I'm going to go over here. And I'm going to go ahead and type in MSG FMT Linux. Missing. Alright, because I can't find this. I don't know what it is. So this guy's saying install get text. So let's do that. So apt install get text. Okay, and that was probably it. So you might find one of those ones, the one that where the name makes absolutely no sense. See, and then its tool app stream app install app stream utility, and that said that was missing, so we're gonna go ahead and install that one, and then app install its. Here's its tool right there. Alright, and if you think we're even close to done, we're not. Yeah, this is, out of everything I've ever compiled on a system, this is by far the worst ever. Oh. Okay, so I think for this one, it would be libzeta, here you go. Libzeta convolver. So it's either gonna be convolver or convolver dev, right? Oh, this is gonna be convolver dev because I didn't see 4 in it. So yeah, and you do it again. And then TBB not found, so apt install lib. I think this one is lib. Yeah, libtb dev right there. So whenever you see names and stuff, if you can't find the package, then add lib in front of it, and usually that's what it is. Unless you come across something really weird like we did a second ago. And then RNNoise. Speak lib pipewire, so app install lib lib pipewire. So lib pipewire dev, because the devs are usually where it's for building packages. And then we're gonna go up and we're gonna go ahead and do oh, here's this one, let's speak dev. That it said it was. Okay, RNNoise, lib data, so I have to install lib. From what I remember, RNNoise is really hard to find too, so this one right here, do it again. App lib app install lib. So this one lib sig c plus 2.0. Oh, this is 3.0, isn't it? Okay, so and then a little v. Okay. And as you say, we're just gonna keep doing this for a minute. So apt install lib. Yes, this is like, yeah, this is like one of the hardest things to ever compile. You'll never run it. At least I've never even run anything near this bad before. It's pretty bad. No. RNNoise. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over here because I remember I could not find this to save my life before. So I'm just gonna apt on RNNoise missing, or something like this. Yeah, so because these are prerequisites, from what I remember, I had to like custom install RNNoise from a repository. So I'm gonna go right here, get clone. I'm gonna back out this one, get clone, get clone, paste, RNNoise, see RNNoise, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a make-j36, make install j36. Okay, so it made it. Let me see what they say. Sometimes I jump ahead of myself on some of this stuff. So make okay, we'll go with that. So back to Easyeffects. Still didn't find it. I probably didn't get some right. So lib e. The BR 128 dev. That's gonna be that one. And keep doing this, and then app install sample rate. App install lib. Okay, so we have lib sample rate 0 dev. Yeah, it's gonna be this thing. App install rubber band. Yeah, so the rubber band right here, rubber band CLI. It's either rubber band or rubber band Latin spa. From what I remember. So yeah, it's still in fire rubber band, so I'm doing app install lib. Let's try lib rubber band. Yeah, lib rubber band dev. Okay, they got one. Yeah, that's what it was. Then go back to build. And app install specs. Okay, so it's looking for DSP, surrender DSP dev. Build it again. And then there you go, found that one. Yeah. It's a lot harder than y'all thought, right? This is ridiculous, isn't it? But I've never seen this before. It's just with okay, yeah. Lib GSL dev. You know, doing this, it almost makes you want to write a script to build this. Okay, so that's it. It looks like the only thing we're missing now is RNNoise. So we did something wrong in there. So what we need to go ahead and do is we need to go ahead and figure out how to install it. So to compile just blah 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 based on a recurrent neural network. Alright, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna go make install. Okay, no targets, dude. But so I'm gonna do make this J36, right? Nothing to be done. All right, and then save it. So let's go to source. Okay, I'm remembering now. So I think from what I did before is you had to copy one of these files into, yeah, into a folder. So, alright, so we're gonna look up how to build RNNoise from source. Okay, so okay, let's try this. Gen message. Yes, so. Oh, you know what? I think I told you wrong. I think I went to the wrong repository. Yes, I think I went to the wrong repository. I think this is actually the correct one. So, RNNoise, git clone, paste. Yes. Okay. I did. Exif is the official. Yeah, okay. I'm sorry about that. Autogen.sh. Yes, I don't have this. Apt install. Let me get this bigger real quick, bro. Apt install autogen. There we go. Apt install configure AC or configure Debian right there. Take that one, then gen auto so install auto. We'll do that one. Okay, updating configuration files for RNNoise. There we go. Now we'll run configure. And then we're going to run make J36. We're going to make install J36. Okay. Now, this one actually installed the libraries into the local library path. There we go. Okay, now we go into Easyeffects. And we go ahead and go into here, and we go into, let's just see. Let's go back up. There we go. And now it's building, and we have no build errors. So there you go. There you have it. I'm gonna try to create a script later on that will automatically search for the missing packages and install them based on missing packages. If y'all would like that process to be hurried up, because I'm probably gonna save this and I'm probably not gonna get around to it anytime soon. But if you want me to hurry that process up and make a script that automatically does all this for you, let me know, because I don't see one on the internet yet. And installing Easyeffects from source, as y'all can tell, it's a big pain. So I went ahead and I kept this uncut, not tried to cover up too many mistakes. Y'all can see how I handle stuff, and hopefully it'll help y'all. Because a lot of people might watch my videos and be like, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's doing. But I kind of just left that in there, and sometimes I clean up my mistakes in my videos and make them look all perfect, and sometimes I just leave it all out there so people can like see like how I handle things. Maybe it'll help them too. So uh, let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go ahead and try to run Easyeffects. We'll go ahead and exit, and we're going to type in Easyeffects. And we're going to see what happens here. Oh, one other thing we still got to do here. I forgot to tell y'all. We're going to still need Pipewire in here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and close that. And I'm going to go ahead and go over to here. Terminal. And I'm going to go to here. And sudo apt install. Sudo apt install. Okay. And then we're going to do Pipewire. So I'm going to go ahead and do, we're going to need Pipewire right here. And then you're going to need, type in Pipewire again, tab it out. I'd recommend using fish shell. This to make it a lot easier. Then do Pipewire media session. And then type Pipewire again. And then Pipewire pulse. So Pipewire media session, and Pipewire pulse. Okay, so now that you go over here, you do it. Okay, so now that we got those installed, this module cannot be blah 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 pipe manager blah blah blah. Okay, so when you see this here and you see I'm not able to install it right now, close terminal. So what we're gonna go ahead and need to do now is we're gonna go ahead and need to do a sudo here. So we're just gonna reboot the system. This way it will properly start Pipewire with the with the media session and everything. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little tired. And this should solve the issue here. So. So, okay. Now, and there you have it. Easyeffects has started right up. And that's it. We have Easyeffects running, and that's it. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Uh, Hopefully this helped you out of any suicidal situations. If it did, like and subscribe. Buy me a cup of coffee. Send me your ex-wife. I'll be happy. Out.